Starting by the sweet name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most mighty. My name is Waqar Ahmed, the son of Wazir Shah, and I read at class 8 at Al Habib Public School, Bakarabad. Today is my topic on article. Let's talk about article. Article is a word which is used to clear or definite something in a sentence. So there are three articles in English, and we divide them in two categories. The first one is definite article, and the second one is indefinite article. Uses of definite article the. Definition. Definite article the is used to speak about noun which is already known, heard, or identified. For example, the ball is on the grass. Here we specify the particular ball which is lying on a particular space, that is grass. And the second example is the ball is on the table. Here we specify a particular book which is lying on a particular book. So uses of indefinite article are. Definition. Indefinite article is used before all words starting with consonant. For example, this is a kid. This is a university. Here people have a doubt that why we use here before the word university. Here the university will have a sound that is vowel sound. That's why we use here before the word university. Uses of indefinite article n. Definition. Indefinite article n is used before all words starting with a vowel sound. Use of indefinite article n. Definition. Indefinite article is used before all words starting with a vowel. The second and last example, he will come in an hour. Here we use n before the word or. You people have a doubt that why we use here n before the word or, because the h is silent here and the word is pronounced like or, which is started with a vowel sound. That's why we use here n before the word or. So that is my topic. Inshallah, I will be present with a new topic. Thank you so much.